I have undone the fetter and granted freedom. They were released, and given their freedom, and they wandered throughout the world and they inhabited what they call the outer field. And the Pleiadians vamped down on and used them for breeding. They listened to this speech of hers, and were freed from anxiety, and kissed her feet. We used to call you 90, but now your name shall be Mommy, mistress of all Anunnaki. The giver of Nefesh, spirit. As you can see, the process of changing you from a Homo erectus to a Homo sapien was not an easy task. That was done within a second, with just one word or statement or command, in the first process of changing your first seed before those with the gift of procreation in the image and after the likeness of the Anunnaki. There were many defects and deformities that happened, and some of these is what accounts for your defects in the world today. There was many trial and errors. Binding the essence of the deities, the Anunnaki upon mortals was a task indeed. As mentioned previously, the graftation of Homo erectus to Homo sapiens was done by genetic manipulation, which was the first procreation and in vitro fertilization, which is fertilization of a biological entity or process developed or maintained in a controlled, non-living environment, as a laboratory vessel, or in glass tubes as depicted on the seal of an ancient Sumerian cylinder, which was the second procreation, the creation of what is called Lulu Emilo, meaning primitive workers, also known as Adama. These are two different experiments, leading to the one human beings. This breeding was done in a laboratory called Shimti, meaning house where the wind of life is breathed in. To create the Adama, 4 elements were needed. First, they needed the blood of 90. Thus, in your Holy Quran it says in 96:2, create man, out of a mere clot of congealed blood. The second thing needed was the Tima, that which had to be obtained from the blood was Tima, meaning personality, that which makes a person what he is and different from any other person, DNAs and RNAs.